Okay, you guys, so before I get started with the video, I just want to let you guys know that one of my eyes doesn't have liner on. Apparently, I was so busy getting ready to like finish the video that I couldn't be bothered with it. So obviously you guys can see I have it on this eye now, but in the video throughout the whole swatches and stuff, there is no liner on this side. Just letting you guys know. So just let's get started with the video. Hola mis serenitas, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Chiquita Serenita, and today we're doing a review, a tutorial, and swatches of SpongeBob's Imagination Mini Press Glitter and Pigment Palette. That was my daughter leaving the room, just so you guys know. And then I also have the Hipdot SpongeBob All That Glitters palette. Both of them are on Ulta.com right now. I believe they're still available. That I know of, Hipdot.com is only selling the All That Glitters one, which is all glitters. And then I noticed that Ulta had both. Like, Ulta had both. I don't know why. This must be an Ulta exclusive. I'm guessing. I'm not even 100% sure. But the one that Hipdot and both Ulta carry, which is the all glitter palette, and these are all the tones in there. So beautiful is that green, you guys. That green is calling my name. This gold is awesome. It's called Golden Spatula, and it's a straight up gold with a whole bunch of green glitters in there. Now, they have one in here that's similar to that gold one too. I don't even know if they're the same one. They look like the same. See how these ones? Yep, they look the same. Those are the two exact same ones. Other than that, there are no other repeats. Well, actually, Loyal. Let me see. Yeah, so obviously you guys can see Loyal is the same as Pinky Up right here, which I used today. And then that gold right there is called Florid, and that's the same as Golden Spatula from this palette. I'm hoping you guys could see that those two look the same right there. And then these two, of course, right here, those two purple tone glitters. But other than that, this one is the one that I used for my eye look. The only color that gave me a lot of trouble was chocolate right here, which is a matte purple. I did try to blend her out as much as I could, but that bee would not budge. So there is like a semi-harsh line. I tried to blend her as much as I could, and that bee would not budge, okay? She just wants to be there. She wants to be a harsh line, and I'm not going to push her over the edge, okay? So other than that, the colors in here, the yellow is obviously pigmented. The pink Wombology right here is so pretty. I don't even know if they're similar to the ones in if any of them are similar to the ones in the original SpongeBob. I should have checked that, you guys. I'm sorry, I didn't. I don't even know, and I don't even know if I want to bother go getting it. But if there are any similar colors, I'm probably going to list it in the description box and then tell you guys, okay, this one looks like the original color from SpongeBob, and do that, because obviously I don't know where it is and I don't want to go through all that stuff. So I'm going to start with the swatches from this palette, the one that I used today. This is the Imagination Mini one. And like it says, be a pineapple of everyone's eye. Well, not Plankton's. With these 6 shades from the deep blue sea, with a mix of matte shimmers and pressed glitters, inspired by your favorite SpongeBob SquarePants moments. There's no look in this collection your imagination cannot handle. So I'm going to start with SB/129. Like, that's the yellow that I use as my transition shade, you guys. And obviously it is super pigmented. I'm going to give you guys 2 swatches. So that's 1. This is 2. She's pigmented. You don't really need a lot with her. And then you got Florid, which is basically the same glitter that I just showed you guys over there. The glitters in here need no adhesive. I didn't use any adhesive. This is super golden gold and like a golden yellow gold. And then it has these specks of blue and green, what looks to be blue and green. It's super pretty. I just patted her on. I did no, glitter adhesive, but just in case, use the glitter, use the adhesive, please. And then you have chocolate, and that is that matte purple that I said that I had trouble blending out. She is like patchy. She is. Even now that I'm applying her, and that's 2 swatches already. She is patchy on, so like I said, that was the only one that gave me trouble blending out. The other ones were fine. Then you have Wombology, and Wombology is this hot pink shimmer, super pretty. Pinky Up is the glitter that I used today. It is like this fuchsia purple, and it's got specks of pink and gold in there. Then the last one is called Unrecognized Talent. It is this like bikini bottom blue. I don't even know. It's very pretty. It's so pretty. It's like got specks of bright green in there. Okay, so now we're going to swatch the glitters in this one right here. And we're going to start with Golden Spatula, which like I said, it's like a complete dupe of that other one that we did right here. See, they look exactly alike. And this is it right here. Same thing. It's like a gold tone one. And it's got specks of like blue-green in there. And then you have a shell, shiny shell. This one looks like a pink, a hot pink. And it's got specks of gold in there. That one's super pretty too. And then you got Meow. Meow, it's so pretty. I don't even know. It's like this blue-green one. Oh, God. Look at that bright green. I love it, love it. In the next row, you have Diamond Gary. Diamond Gary is... Look at that. Oh, I love it. It's like a powder blue. I love, love that blue. By the way, you guys, glitters don't swatch that good. Just saying, because I know some people like, I've seen glitter swatch good. Well, I haven't, so that's the way they swatch. Pretty Girl, oh my God, you guys, Pretty Girl looks iridescent. Chunks of purple and blue in there. So, so pretty in person, you guys. You have to see her in person. Because obviously when I'm swatching her, she's like purple. But she has these iridescent specks of blue. So she has like this purple blue shift thing going on. So, so pretty in the light. How it plays with the colors is so pretty. And then you have Loyal, which basically we just determined is a dupe for Pinky Up. This the color that I used right here. And like I said, it's the exact same one. It's got purple, magenta, pink specks in there. Even gold and like champagne shimmers. So those are the ones from both of the palettes. Very, very pretty. I like the look I created today. The only one, like I said, the only one that gave me problems was that purple one. But other than that, they're cute palettes. And these are going to complement my original SpongeBob, like, just fine, okay? So I'm going to let you guys go. If you guys want to see how I created this look today, just stay tuned. Okay, you guys, for my first color, I'm going to go in with SB/129. It is the super bright matte yellow right here. Sorry, you guys, I was like pointing to the wrong one. But that's basically my transition shade that I'm going to use. So for my next color, you guys, I went in with Wombology. I think that's how it's called. I forget. I know I've seen SpongeBob for the longest time, like all of the seasons. But I always forget Wombology, I think it's called. It's super bright, hot pink shimmer, you guys. I just basically applied it over all my lid using my finger. So for the next color that I'm going to use, you guys, I'm just going to use Pinky Up. And it is a glitter. Like I said, you guys already know how I feel about glitters, okay? So Pinky Up is such a beautiful color, you guys. It is like multi-glitters that are, I want to range from hot pink to purple and yellows with, it looks like champagne glitters, all mixed into one. On the eye, she tends to take over the look. So I'm just going to apply her in this general area because I'm going to keep some of that hot pink right here towards the front. And of course, you guys see I have a purple right here. So I'm just going to apply her with my finger in this general area right here. You're going to see her towards the middle. So that is what you guys are going to see me do. So for my next color, you guys, I'm going to use this color called Chocolate. I don't know why they called a dark purple colored chocolate, but that's the color I'm going to use. I'm basically going to stamp her right here and a little bit across, and then pretty much all down here, because I'm going to re-add that hot pink right here too. So that is what you guys are going to see me do. So I'm going to go back in, well, I'm going to use the same One Ballology right here, and I'm just going to use it right here and basically going over that purple a little bit halfway. And then you're going to see me reapply it in this area right here just to like reincorporate it into that corner where it's always been. And that is what you guys are going to see me do. Now for my inner corner highlight, you guys, because there are no shimmers in here that I could really use for as an inner corner highlight besides that pink thing one, I actually did use my glowing in grease, and I used one of my highlighters in here. I used the one Olympia right here. That is the one that you guys can see me use, and I just basically applied it with my finger. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Let me put some mascara on this eye, and then I'll be right back to give you guys a close-up. So this is the finished eye look, you guys. Forgive me if it's not like blended out to perfection, but I did have a lot of trouble with that purple that didn't want to blend out, and that's pretty much it, what I experienced with this palette. But other than that, I actually like the colors together. So let me back you guys out and give you guys my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. This is a very cute mini Imagination. Obviously, it's meant to be used in conjunction with the other one, right? The big one that they sold a long time ago. I think it was about a year ago. I'm calling it literally like it's been like 5 years. In reality, I think it's been like a year. That's how long I've had my SpongeBob, the original one. So obviously it's not meant to be used on its own. I used it on its own, but you could use it with the original SpongeBob and create so many pretty looks with this. I honestly love this glitter, you guys. It's the first thing. It's called Unrecognized Talent, and it's like the first one that jumped out at me. But I knew that I couldn't possibly use it with these 3 mattes. Well, basically 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. But I know with the original SpongeBob, I can totally make a look with that shimmer, with that glitter, I mean. This glitter right here is so freaking pretty. It looks like a yellow orangey one, but it got specks of blue and green in there. And that in itself is freaking beautiful. The one that I have on my eye is so beautiful in person. Like, you guys don't even know. That's like a magenta, purple, gold, and like champagne glitter in there, all mixed in one. It's just like, it's like a unicorn farted and pooped in there, okay? And it's awesome. But that's pretty much it. I do have the little other one from SpongeBob, which is All That Glitters Pressed Glitter palette. Obviously, it's all glitter. It has 6 glitters in there. And I'm just going to swatch that in the beginning of the video for you guys, because it's just all glitter. So obviously, I wasn't going to use it if I'm already using one glitter from one there. I'm not going to slap a bunch of glitters on my face like that, okay? I like glitters, but not like that. So I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And until next time, stay warm, stay blessed, and stay magical. Bye, you guys.